Hello everyone, this is Bill Lavallie with Sierra News Bulletin, and I'm here at the studio of RTV Amador, and we're going to be talking about a traffic incident that occurred in Drytown this evening. Early this evening, a vehicle, an unoccupied vehicle, rolled down the road in front of the Drytown Club. Someone had pulled off the side of the road. They reached in their vehicle, and apparently they may have bumped the gear shift lever, and the car free rolled across the street into the Drytown Club's parking lot, and then rolled back across the street into the Old Wells area, the Old Well Hotel and Restaurant, and crashed into a large commercial gas tank, propane tank, and busted some valves on the top and released gas into the air, which caused a shutdown of the highway, complete shutdown, both directions. And I'm going to play you a clip now to show you what transpired.
At the scene of an accident in Drytown, California, a vehicle that was parked up the street. Person was shopping up here, reached in the car and somehow may have hit the stick or something, and the car started rolling down the hill with no one in it, and it came all the way down the hill backwards into the driveway here at the parking lot at the Drytown Club, and then came across the street, across Highway 49 at the Old Well, and then went through this area here, struck the gas tank that's down there, and came to rest up against the deck at the pool. So there's someone here from AmeriGas to assess the damage and see what he does next. There's a full road closure in both directions. You cannot get through. So if you're going toward 16 or toward, I'd say, Amador City, Sutter Creek, Jackson, you're going to have to find an alternate route than 49. And the roads are pretty crowded. It's pretty much near rush hour. Okay, got the tank hooked up to the winch, and he's starting to lift the tank off the pad. Okay, they're attempting to
watch your eyes in case it's snack crackle pops. I wear my sunglasses at night so I can feel.
Yeah.
There's still a microphone.
Yeah, they're busy trying to move the car, so.
All right, cut it. Oh! Got it! Good? Alright.
So far so good. Let me get this car out of here.
Go back as far as it'll go. Good? Got it. Watch out for that steel.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll watch your cheek on this side.
Okay.
Alright, you're good on it. Good on it. Cut it. Cut it. Alright, straight. Cut it. Yeah, good. Clear.
think they will. Okay, the AmeriGas technician is got his truck over there, and the plan now is to pull the tank from its position. Fire department has measured the gas levels, and they indicated that this can be done safely. The gas levels are low enough that there should not be a problem. However, for safety's sake, they have a line out with a fireman on a hose in case anything does occur. Just spoke to the technician from AmeriGas, and it appears he is going to attempt to get some wooden dowels from one of his co-workers and plug. There's two hoses or two taps on the top of that tank that are broken off, and they're just going to pound a dowel in, just wooden, and plug the leak that way. And then once it's stable, they can, when the gas bleeds off in the air around here.
Okay, well, clips were a little out of sequence, but I think you can get the gist of what happened. In the end, that truck was unable to pick up the tank. The winch wasn't strong enough, or the arm wasn't strong enough, and the winch on the truck wasn't able to pull it out either. They were able to get the car out of there, and they were able to cap off the tank. Fire had some type of putty material that they were able to plug the holes that were leaking just a little bit of gas, probably more the smell than anything else. So good news is the road is open, and it's clearly now traveled through Dry Town, and the car, I believe, is going to go off to the garage, and then the people are going to deal with the tank tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Again, you're watching RTV Amador, and my name is Bill Lavallie with Sierra News Bulletin. Thank you.